What is up, friends? So glad that you guys have tuned in and are joining me. I am super pumped about this trip. I've been waiting for it for a long time. We're out here in Devil's Canyon. It's absolutely gorgeous. A little windy. If there's some wind noise, I do apologize about that. But, oh man, I've been looking forward to this trip for a while. So let me give you a little bit of context before we jump into it too deep. A few months ago, I needed some work done on my truck. It's called a cab mount chop. Basically, it's just to give clearance for larger tires. So I reached out to some of the groups I'm in online, just asking if anybody recommended anyone. And this guy's name came up, Max Wilder. Max got this sick little shop up in Rogers. So I whip up there, he takes a look, quotes me a real fair price, knocks out the work that same day, and just does a killer job. He tells me, hey, I'm planning this trip. He asked me if I want to go. So of course I'm like, I'm down, let's do this. And it's here, and I'm just so stoked. So here's the plan. We're gonna head back up to camp. I'm gonna show you that setup. Max is cooking some fajitas tonight, yes and amen. And then we're probably gonna turn in a little bit early, just because with this front that's moving in, you know, it's supposed to rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much, but even if it does, we ain't scared. Hopefully all that weather moves through, and then we're able to hit the trails after that. So come on, let me show you camp. So it is starting to rain now, so we're going to go ahead and jump into the tents. We're going to take the comms with us, but probably end up calling it a night. It's just sprinkling right now, but according to the weather we looked at, it is supposed to come through and hit us pretty hard. So we got everything kind of cleaned up, and we're just going to chill. Hopefully it's not too rough. Hopefully it's just, you know, little wind, little rain, but even if it is, I'm not worried about it. It's going to be a good time. Well, good morning. We survived the night. That was crazy. Being up on the ridge, on the bluff line in Devil's Canyon, in a rooftop tent, when those winds are coming through like that, it's gnarly. And then when it rained, man, it freaking poured. But it came in, did its thing, was violent, and then moved on. And everything seems to be okay. Looking around, even the folks in hammocks said they stayed dry. Ground tent was good. We were good. So it is what it is. We're gonna knock out breakfast, get some coffee. Man, I need coffee. I need coffee like an hour ago. And then the plan is to get all packed up and hit the trails. So I'm pumped. Are you pumped? I'm pumped. Let's go!
Not cool. steer driver. Yep. Wow, look at that traction. You just stayed up on the wall the whole time. Yep. Keep coming forward. Your back's coming down. That's perfect. Okay, now steer passenger. Yep, right there. Stay on that line and come on forward. You're good. Keep coming. That's perfect. You're gonna drop down on the back right there. Yep, right there. No, turn driver. Yep. Okay, you're at the bottom. Now turn passenger a little. Okay, now you gotta crawl up. The wheel's good right there. The wheel's fine right there. Don't worry about the steering wheel. You gotta get on top of a rock. So pull up a tiny bit. Okay, whoa, right there. Now you're perfect. Just try to go nice and easy into the bottom. Nice.
Yeah, you missed that rock.
That's it. Keep going straight. Keep going straight for a while.
Yeah.
A little further. You got plenty of clearance on your front. Now start turning driver. Right there. Keep your wheel right there. That's it. It looks good. Now, yeah, you got clearance. You got plenty of clearance on the front, so why don't you hit it? Give it some power. Try to pull out here. That was a trailer hitch. It's only the trailer hitch. Yeah, just go slow. Oh yeah, you got it. I think the Tacoma dug it out for you. Thank you, Taco.
I'd go driver. Yep. Driver. Now start going passenger.
Making the corner. You're through everything. Now it's just making this corner.
Been sliding into me.
Yep. Now just ease into it. You're going to run over a rock on your passenger side.
Okay, just keep going.
Keep going
Yep.
with it. Okay.
Yep. You might.
Now, keep it on that line right there. Keep coming forward. Yep, just crawl down nice and slow. That's the line right there. Okay, come forward 2 more inches. And wait right there. Forward till you run over a rock on your passenger side. Yep, you're going to come over the rock. Yep, you're coming down the rock. That's it. Now steer passenger a little. Yeah, that's it. Now crawl on down. There's a rock in front. You got to run over it. That's it. Now easy. You're going to come down a little rock again. That's it. You're over it all. On this side, I'll take them to the river.
Yeah, whatever.
Wash them off.
Don't spin too much on them and eat all the knobs up.
Okay, I'll try this small first. They're just for looks. Tell me when you're ready. Yeah.
It just looks really
good.
cool in the back. Yeah.
I can't see, so am I going the right way? Back up a little and try to get. Hey,
Yeah, spread that driver one out.
Move the driver one out
about a foot. Cool. They both moved.
So close.
We need locking differentials. Yeah. Slow. That's it. Now stop. That's it. Keep going. Good. That's perfect. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Hey, Andy, put your hand this way.
Woohoo!
I definitely should have rolled up the window.
Maybe a little more passenger. Maybe a little more driver. Yeah, a little more driver for sure. Oh, you're just sinking inch by inch.
No way, I'm gonna make it.
There is no way you're gonna make it, you're right. This portion is called What Not to Do. Uh-oh.
Well, guys, we've had an incredible day of wheeling. It's just been so much fun. I got some drone footage of the campsite, which you guys have already seen, and I wanted to show you more around. It's just an amazing spot, but we're exhausted, so I'm going to shut it down for tonight. We just had a great dinner, and then tomorrow morning when we get up, I'll take some shots to show you a little bit more around. But man, this is just an amazing place. This whole trip has just been perfect. And I am going to go to sleep. Night.
It's still hot.
They do get hot?
Yeah. Well, yeah, there's a shovel right here.
Man, I bet those readers are going to be young moves that thing that's
Well, guys, that is it for this one. Thanks so much for tuning in and coming with us on this trip. We had a blast wheeling and camping, and hope you enjoyed watching it as well. Remember, hang up, hang out, get out, enjoy creation, go camping. It's good for your soul. My soul feels like it's been recharged. So get out there and experience that. It's good stuff. And remember, the more you camp, the less deer the aliens abduct.